Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the future of farming, and let me tell you, it's smarter than you think. We're talking about the incredible technology that is revolutionizing the harvest season. Smart combine harvesters equipped with AI yield sensors. Now, I know what some of you might be thinking. Another piece of complicated tech. Is it really worth it? Well, stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll see just how these machines aren't just gadgets, they're game changers for farmers everywhere. So, what's all the buzz about? Let's start with the biggest hook. The benefits. Imagine knowing the exact yield and quality of your crop in real time as you're harvesting. That's what AI yield sensors do. Traditional yield monitors are great, but they often struggle with accuracy, especially with varying grain moisture, density, and flow. AI sensors take it to a whole new level. They use advanced cameras and machine learning algorithms to analyze every single grain passing through the combine. They can instantly detect things like moisture content, protein levels, and even damage. This means you're not just getting a quantity measurement, you're getting a quality map of your entire field. Why is this so important? Well, for starters, it empowers you to make smarter decisions on the fly. Let's say one part of your field is showing higher moisture. Instead of mixing that wet grain with the rest and risking spoilage or paying high drying costs for the entire batch, you can segregate it. You can decide to harvest that section later or handle it separately. This level of precision saves a massive amount of time and money on post-harvest processing. It is like having a superpower that lets you see inside your grain tank and make the perfect call every single time. This data is also invaluable for creating hyper-accurate yield maps, which helps you plan for next season's planting, fertilizing, and irrigation with incredible detail. It's about turning guesswork into a data-driven science. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room. The cost. There's no sugarcoating it. This is a significant investment. A brand new smart combine harvester, fully loaded with the latest AI technology, can cost hundreds of thousands of dollars. Even retrofitting an existing combine with advanced AI sensor kits can run into the tens of thousands. It's a number that can make anyone pause. So, is it just for the massive corporate farms? Not necessarily. Here is how you need to think about the cost. It is not just an expense. It's an investment with a tangible return. Think about the savings. More accurate yield data means less grain loss, which is often estimated to be between 3 to 5% with older systems. On a large farm, that's a lot of crop and a lot of money left in the field. Then there are the drying costs. Optimizing the harvest based on moisture can slash your energy bills. Plus, by segregating high-quality grain, you can often command a premium price at the elevator. When you start adding up these savings and increased profits year after year, that initial high price tag starts to look a lot more manageable. Many manufacturers also offer financing options, and there are sometimes government grants or subsidies available. For adopting precision agriculture technologies, is about calculating the return on investment for your specific operation. For many, the payback period is surprisingly short. So, how do these futuristic machines actually work in the field? Let's walk through a day in the life of a smart combine. The operator climbs into the cab, which looks more like a cockpit these days with multiple high-definition screens. As the combine starts moving through the crop, the magic begins. High-speed cameras inside the clean grain elevator are constantly snapping images of the grain flow. These images are fed into an onboard computer running a powerful AI model. This AI has been trained on millions of images of different grains under various conditions. It can instantly identify wheat from barley, measure the size and shape of each kernel, and detect cracks, foreign material, or signs of disease. At the same time, other sensors are measuring the volume and mass flow of the grain. The system cross-references all this data in milliseconds. The results are then displayed on the cab's monitor in an easy-to-read format. The operator sees a live map of the field, color-coded to show yield, moisture content, and quality metrics. For example, red might indicate low-yield areas, while green shows high-yield zones. Blue could represent high moisture, but it doesn't stop at just providing information. The truly smart part is that the combine can use this data to automatically adjust its own settings. If the AI detects too much broken grain in the sample, it can automatically tweak the rotor speed or concave clearance to be gentler on the crop. If it senses that the combine is moving too fast for conditions and causing grain loss out the back, it can suggest a slower speed or even automatically reduce it. This is called closed-loop control. It reduces the mental load on the operator, minimizes errors, and ensures the machine is always running at peak efficiency, no matter who is in the driver's seat. It's like having the world's best combine operator coaching you, or, even better, taking over the tricky adjustments for you. This real-time feedback loop is what truly sets these machines apart. An experienced operator develops a feel for the machine over many years, listening to the sounds and vibrations. AI technology essentially digitizes that experience and makes it available to everyone, enhancing the skills of even the most seasoned veterans. It helps reduce operator fatigue during those long, grueling harvest days and nights, leading to safer and more productive work. The data collected doesn't just disappear after the harvest, either. It's uploaded to the cloud and integrated with farm management software. This creates a rich, layered history of your fields. You can overlay yield maps with soil maps, fertilizer application maps, and weather data. This comprehensive picture reveals patterns you might never have noticed before. Maybe that low-yielding spot is due to soil compaction, or a high-yielding area corresponds to a specific fertilizer strategy. This insight is pure gold. It allows for the creation of precise prescription maps for the next planting season. Your seeder can then use this map to apply different amounts of seed in different parts of the field, putting more seeds where they'll thrive and fewer in less productive zones. The same goes for fertilizer and water. This is the essence of precision agriculture, giving the crop exactly what it needs, where it needs it, and when it needs it. It leads to higher overall yields, lower input costs, and a more sustainable farming practice. It's a win for the farmer's bottom line and a win for the environment. So, what's the verdict? Are smart combines with AI yield sensors the future? Absolutely. While the initial cost is a hurdle, The long-term benefits in terms of increased efficiency, higher profits, and data-driven decision-making are undeniable. They're transforming the harvest from a manual, labor-intensive process into a highly optimized, technological operation. This technology isn't about replacing the farmer. It's about empowering the farmer with tools that were once the stuff of science fiction. It allows farmers to be more strategic, more precise, and ultimately more successful. As the technology becomes more widespread and affordable, we're going to see it become a standard feature on farms of all sizes. It's a giant leap forward in our quest to feed a growing world more efficiently and sustainably. What are your thoughts on this tech? Are you using it on your farm, or are you considering it? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your experiences and opinions. Thanks so much for watching, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more content on the future of agriculture. We'll see you in the next one.